Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, our topic is sound needs a medium for propagation. In previous classes, I also discussed the topic of sound. Sound is travel, a need of a medium when travel to one places to another places. So if no medium has, then sound is not travel. When any person speak and loud and produce a sound, so that is propagated through one place to another places. That is, say to the sound travel, a need of a medium. If a person sitting on the car inside and another person outside of the car, if the person is glass window is closed, and then speaking inside to call outside of that person, so outside of that person is not listen. So that is why that person is not listen, not hearing. That is the reason of the sound travel in a medium. So that medium, through that sound is travel one place to another place. So that sound travel is cut the glass window, so that sound inside in the car, but outer side of the that person is not hearing, not hearing of that sound, so not any reply of that person. When that person is open the glass window, then another person is hearing of that sound, so that is propagated of that sound to reaches on his ear, and that person is hearing of that sound and reply them. Now, if one thing is proved, that if any vacuum medium is, that is, no air is present, so that is say to the vacuum medium. That vacuum medium to no sound is no travel, no sound propagated, no sound is travel in that region because need of a medium. So that medium is not here, so that sound is not travel. In previous classes I also discussed that is the air, that is the vacuum, that is air, and that is vacuum, and that is his ear, and that is his, that the speak of that person, that is the here and speaking of that person. So if a force the sound travel of that air medium to reaches of that places, so vacuum medium is reaches to air and that medium is vacuum, so that medium is air and that medium is vacuum, that is vacuum, that is air, and that is vacuum, now again air. That is the change of these types, so that is travel of sound to another person. That is say to the propagation of sound, means one places to another places travel the sound, that is need of a medium, that is the air medium. But in our environment, that in the air is presented in the that formation, that is air and vacuum, that through the sound is travel and propagated to one places to another places. That is say to the sound need a medium of propagation to reaches one place to another places. So that is say to propagation. That name is propagation. That is travel to one place to another places. So need of a medium to travel a sound. So if car person is cut off the medium, that medium is not propagated in outside of that sound. That is the say to the that types of situation is that is soundproof. That is no outside the air is passing. If the air is passing, so sound is passes to outer side. So that is say to the propagation of sound. If the need of a propagation of sound. Why need of a propagation of sound? So need of a propagation of sound to travel one medium to another medium. So it is necessary that is travel of sound. If no any medium, that is no sound is travel. Now another example I give you. Some person are asking of this question: when thundering duration, light is come faster and sound is comes in after sometimes some minutes, some seconds. So these types of situation, why it is presented of and generate of that situation. You think light is very fast, that velocity is very fast to come to, that is very few in second comes to in our eye passage of that light. But sound needs of a propagation, so that is travel to that places when cloud are coincide, that is collision of two clouds, then produce a electric current, and that is produce of more sound. So light is comes very fast, but sound is travel need a medium of propagation. So that sound travel comes inside the earth, so taken some time. So lighting is very fast, comes to the earth and seeing, but sound is after some time. You listen here, that sound is comes to because it needs of a propagation of that sound to travel that place, cloud places to earth places. So this it is the propagation of sound, need of propagation of sound when travel one places to another place of that sound, that is propagation of sound. Okay, thank you.